Wildflower by Cathy Delanssay. This is version B of the design. We have Special Treatment version 3. We start off the special treatment with periwinkle pearls that we have sprinkled on the blue flowers around her. So simply place them on the petals and sprinkle it on the blue areas. For version 2, we have snow pearls that we have sprinkled all over her dress. You should be given ample snow pearls for the size that you have chosen of this painting. And what I've decided to do here, which you can follow as well, is on this section, kind of like a brooch or a button on her dress, is I fill that in instead of just sprinkling. This is a sprinkle effect, and this is a filled in effect. So I filled that in together with the strap of her dress with these snow pearls. And finally, for version 3, we've got electric diamonds that we have placed on her belt. So here we have placed and followed the outline of her gold belt and placed electric diamonds on there. And then the rest of the electric diamonds we have sprinkled in the sky just to give it a little bit of extra glisten. Once again, for version 3 of Wildflower, version B by Cathy Delanssay, we have snow pearls, electric diamonds, and periwinkle pearls.